Olorirunke in tears as Ooni of Ife bought another G-Wagon 2023 model for Queen Naomi. Love nwantiti no be small matter o. My people, you see Kabiyesi, one thing I love, one thing about Kabiyesi that I love so much is that Kabiyesi used to, as in the way he used to buy things for Queen Naomi, will be like, Kai, this woman, you dey use better things. In short, na Kabiyesi's handwork. No be say Queen Naomi no fit buy some certain things, but the kind thing wey Kabiyesi dey buy for her, thing is too much. And as Kabiyesi is buying it for her, the thing go dey pepper other Oloris because they want to get such favour from Kabiyesi, but they don't know that they cannot get it because they are not Kabiyesi's love. There is one thing between my love and my wife. You may be second wife. Maybe you use career matter to enter into that marriage so that the man will marry you. But when you come, you will not get that kind of love that you expect. So that is what is happening to these other Oloris. So according to what we heard allegedly, uh, you know about the G-Wagon now. What happened to the G-Wagon? For those of you that doesn't know, they said that a woman cat, maybe a cat woman, a woman that turned to cat, vandalized Queen Naomi's G-Wagon. And it is Olori's, it is Aunty Blue Blue's fault. Aunty Blue Blue was the one that caused everything. Because it was her that told the woman to do that, thinking that she's going to show Queen Naomi Pepe. Queen Naomi should G-Wagon so that she will not use it again. Kabiyesi might sell that one off or even dash it out and buy another one for Queen Naomi. So these people, the way they are even pushing Queen Naomi, they thought that after doing all this nonsense they do against Queen Naomi will just be in shame or be in fear. They don't know that it's that time they started fighting Queen Naomi that God will be using Kabiyesi to do more things. So let me just put it this way. That time you want to show that person Pepe, that is when you are making ways for that person's favor to come. Yes. Because I remember that there was a time they destroyed Queen Naomi's house in Lekki. Sorry, not in Lekki, in Ile-Ife. So Queen Naomi left the palace. Well, because of Queen Naomi left the palace, Queen Naomi said that she's not going to come back to this palace again because of these people vandalized her house, her Yeyoluwa's quarter in Ile-Ife. So then Kabiyesi had finished building the Lekki mansion. So because of the thing that maybe they vandalized Queen Naomi's house, Yeyoluwa's quarter, Queen Naomi will now go back to Akure and stay in Akure because they doesn't want to see her around Kabiyesi in the palace. So then Kabiyesi was like, since you don't want to stay in the palace, okay, go and be staying in this Lekki mansion. It's from staying in the Lekki mansion that Kabiyesi finally changed the ownership of that Lekki mansion to Queen Naomi's name. Do you see how they push her to her blessing? Number one. Number two, they sent what did they call it? Woman cat to come and vandalize Queen Naomi's car. Now, after the vandalizing the thing, Kabiyesi bought another brand new G-Wagon 2023 model for Queen Naomi. That is blessing number two. Number three, make I just count the blessings for una. Number three, they went and buried cow head in the Yeyoluwa's quarter where Queen Naomi is supposed to stay right now. Queen Naomi left the palace. Kabiyesi was somehow in tears that Queen Naomi left the palace again after she came back. As in, when she was supposed to come back to stay in the palace, they buried the cow head. Now, what is happening? Queen Naomi was sent to royal manor where nobody has stayed before, where no Olori have slept before. Now Queen Naomi is there, and that royal manor, the way they are eyeing it here, you go know say the royal manor makes sense, no be anyhow place. And that is why Olori Tobi came back and start fighting it. Number three. Should I continue to count? Number four. They thought that Queen Naomi and Kabiyesi will no longer be make up again. That Kabiyesi have forgotten about Queen Naomi. That Queen Naomi will no longer come back to the palace again. That this and that. This is even when they say that Kabiyesi and Queen Naomi always stay together. In short, do you know the one that is peppering them more? The one that is peppering them more is that they expect Queen Naomi not to cross the palace, but they see Queen Naomi always in the palace. Queen Naomi is not sleeping in the palace, so now that one gonna pepper them. After staying in the palace, Queen Naomi will just leave. Queen Naomi will go back to Akure. Each time they want to come and see Kabiyesi to speak with Kabiyesi, they will find out that Kabiyesi and Queen Naomi is discussing and having fun and laughing and laughing louder. That was why they said that Olori Ashley broke a wine, champagne that she was bringing to have good time with Kabiyesi. On hearing Queen Naomi's voice and laugh, she told the guard to go and tell Kabiyesi that she wants to see Kabiyesi. And the guard told her that Kabiyesi is busy with Queen Naomi. She went out and broke the champagne that she was taking to Kabiyesi's chamber out of what? Anger. You see? Olori Igboida said that over her body will Queen Naomi come back to the palace. She was at that palace. Queen Naomi came back and they packed into the royal money where they have not stepped their feet into. They have not, even if they have went there, they have not slept there for once. It is only Queen Naomi. And that place, they said that place is so beautiful. And that is why all of them is eyeing that place. My people, no be small matter. This time around, the one they buried head of cow, Kabiyesi started building another house for Queen Naomi in that same Lekki, in that same Ile-Ife. So all these things, they think that fighting Queen Naomi will make Queen Naomi to lose. The more they are fighting her, the more she's gaining. Yes. The more they are fighting Queen Naomi, the more she's gaining. They thought that fighting her will make her to leave Kabiyesi. We don't need you around Kabiyesi, this and that. The more they are fighting her, the more she's gaining. So who is losing? If I be them, I will stop fighting her so that she will stop gaining. But they don't know that the more they are fighting, the more she's gaining. If they think that she's going to buy today, you see herself, more life will enter her. That is how God work for his people. If they want to experience that kind of favor from their ex-husband, let them leave Kabiyesi, go back to their ex-husband, repent, have Christ in them, and God will be making them flourish like flower. No, every morning the flower will just be like, wow. If you are looking at it with beautiful scent, that is what Queen Naomi is. Queen Naomi can never wither. No. The more they are sending Kayamata, the more she's growing, the more she's expanding. God is blessing her more and more. Look at the woman that they said that that turned to cat that come to vandalize her G-Wagon's car. The woman is where? She don't the Colomenta. So Kabiyesi bought this new one. If they try with this one, Kabiyesi go buy the one wey pass this one. If they try any nonsense again, more things will be coming all to Queen Naomi. So guys, that is what I said. I saw. I feel like let me share it with you. Don't forget that all of these are alleged information, but let us congratulate with Queen Naomi. A very big congratulation. If you enter this car, you go know wetin we talk. You go know wetin be G-Wagon. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.